I get my cheap nails to last long. All right, let's get into this video. As you can see, I am starting off on bare nails here. I have stubs and I get it from my daddy. All right, so this step you don't have to necessarily use. If you have like a little nail filer, you can, push back your own cuticles and kind of like file it away on your nail bed. But because I have this drill and it was given to me, I decided, why not use it? And this is how I do my nail routine all the time, but it's been a minute since I've even done my own nails. Okay, so once you get everything, all the cuticles off, because you need that off before you can even apply your nails. If you are applying press-ons to unmanicured nails, honey, that's why your nails are not lasting a very long time. So that is a helpful tip right there. So you want to make sure you are getting all of that excess skin off of your nail bed, okay? Now, it is hard to do my left hand since I am right-handed, but practice make perfect. You want to brush everything off and then remove, the excess skin from the top part, because when you actually do drill your nails, of course, when you go to the nail salon, a lot of them don't do this step, which is unheard of, and I don't understand why, but that's beside the point. You want to remove this. You can also get this utensil from like Walmart, or you can get it from your local beauty supply store. All right, so next we're going to dehydrate my nails. You want to dehydrate your nails so that your nails can be completely dry. You want to remove the excess oils. If you don't do this step, your nails will not last long. Your press-on nails will not last long. So make sure you are dehydrating your nails. So I'm going back over because I realized I do have a little bit of skin, excess skin on my nail bed. So I'm just going back over it real quick. So I'm being careful that I do not, my other fingers do not touch my nail beds, which will have oil on them. All right, so these nails here, the press-on nails I got from Amazon, I think I paid like less than $20 for them. Now, these are the oval shape. I am going to be using this nail glue and strengthener. This is the absolute best. When I tell you, if you apply the glue on correctly, your nails will last long. This is better than the other nail glues that I have used in the past. So I do recommend this. It is I bought it off of Amazon, I believe, and I paid around $12, $14 for it. I will link my Amazon storefront, which has like my my main channel's name on it, which is She is Tamika. So make sure you apply that. Also, I got the nail lamp. You need a lamp, okay? You don't necessarily need it, but I do recommend it. I mean, why not have it? It's cute. And it is one of those UV lamps. So you just apply the glue on there, put the nail, and let it sit under there. And I like to just cure my nails a little bit longer after I've applied it. Now, in here, I did realize that the nails were actually a little too big, and I should have went in smaller size, because I have small nail beds, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So make sure you are careful with that. And if you notice that I did go ahead and paint my nails on that strip, I went ahead and did all of that prior to doing this, of course. I actually did it early that morning, so then that way when I was ready, after I've taken my shower and did my hair and makeup, all I had to do was just put the nails on. Now, I did do an extra step, which was after I applied the nails on, I did go around my cuticle area with the glue. I do that just as an extra precaution, just to make sure that the nails stay on. And I just repeat the step over again. All right, so now I'm just applying some oil, and you can just use any type of oil that you have. I do have cuticle oil, but I don't have it on me at the moment. So this is what my nails is looking like. I'm telling you, this will save you a whole lot of money. And I used to get my nails done at the salon, and I would pay $38, which is still cheap. But honey, and I will only get my nails done once a month. But just doing this, taking them on and off, they last longer and I save a lot of money. Thanks for watching, gorgeous.